My name's Wilson Kingola. I am the Chief Program Coordinator at Ummoja Disability Center, which is along on the Molem, which is off Kangudo Road. At Ummoja Disability Center, we assist people who are differently abled acquire assistive devices. We empower them with information relating to matters on disability. We also empower them economically by putting them through a process whereby we are assisted by an NGO called Hand in Hand. And they make their own products, e.g. soaps, detergents, and candles. And thus, they empower themselves by selling those products and then making a living out of it. NTA came into our lives when they reached out and wanted to work with a group of persons with disability. And what they were advocating for is still something that we had been longing for. We had been wanting to empower our people with information, more so on matters relating to their tax contributions. Our members were a bit ignorant. They didn't know of any existing relationship between themselves and KRA, but this was brought about to our attention by NTA, in that we can have a relationship with KRA. They are not out there to harm us. They are there as our friends. And by joining us to KRA, we felt NTA was doing a good job. They have also helped us understand where we are coming from and where we are headed. As an organization, we lacked in information. We didn't know what doors to knock to get what information, but now we know. We've been participating in public participation events, whereby we've come to learn that there are so many areas we can have an input in. Though we have not been doing it out of ignorance, we have kept away. If anything, we've been running away. NTA has enjoined us in a program for CAGs in Nairobi, and through that program, some leaders have undergone a lot of training by NTA, and then in return, they have also gone out there to train their own people. At Ummoja Disability Center, having gotten that training and then also having been exposed to public participation events, we have reached out to our members and taught them a skill or two out of what we have learned. We've made them understand that they should be connected with the local administration. They should be connected to KRA. They should have the ability to go out there and ask questions relating to their own matters or issues, even community ones, whereby somebody feels that something is not being done right. They have the right to ask, and where possible, even get the right answer. Based on what has been achieved within that short time, I think and I believe the program should not only continue, but be expanded. We should reach out to a lot of people and a lot of social groups that exist within, say, Nairobi. There are a lot of people needing the same information that we are now trying to disseminate, but it is not reaching them. So these groups should be included, more so the leadership. If we include the leaders, then they will go down. It will trickle down to the members and even other local communities who are not members of specific organizations. In conclusion, I would want to reach out more to NTA to involve those people that are differently abled into their programs by empowering them. Not only through this direct contact, they can even empower the actual organizations that these people come from. And I believe this one is going to reach out to more people. Incidentally, if you empower one disabled person, you're almost empowering 10 people in that family, because this person has a father, a mother, brothers and sisters, and they will get to know that same information, and they are most likely to listen to their own. So I am appealing to NTA to continue the program, and where possible even expand it, so that we can reach more people, not only in Nairobi, but the whole country. Thank you.